So now it's time for the rims and tyres. So we've gone with this fancy aftermarket multi-fit black mag. We're actually going to look at making some plugs for these extra holes in here. So we bought these 2 red head tyres on, put 2 new tyres on there, so we'll chuck them on the back, the other one's on the front. We shall put it all on the car, and then that's one step even further closer again.
Oh, I could be all it is you need, 'cause we are trying to find a way to feel. If I could sleep, I'd dream of what we'd be, but I can feel you slip further from me. Oh, it makes it hard to be when you are all that I want, but don't have. And I'll run into the sea, follow this heart that escapes me. It escapes me, and I'm lost. Forget me, all I want, and become everything. All I although it feels like heaven, I can't wait forever. Old habits are hard to break. I'm losing faith. Maybe we're better off this way, but I'm still lost. Forget me, all I want, and become everything. All I want.
So we're chucking the last few bits on the car to finally get it done. Now, these little pieces just here that we have just here, these are supposed to go in before the back windscreen goes in. But in this case, we didn't. They go in this section just here. They're a filler for here. So what we're going to do is just trim off just straight across here. So it'll just tuck under there nice and neat. And then double-sided tape on the back and it'll go straight in. Once those are done, then we're on to the side body stripes all here. So we'll just clean them up a little bit, get any dags off of them. A bit of stuff's landed on there that we have to try to get off. But anyway, we can tape all them up, get them on the car, and then that's the outsides. And then we're pretty much down to just all the final checks, a few little fiddly bits here and there. Then we can actually do the get going on the road. So that'll be good. And then later on we'll do the rest of the stuff we want to do after that, being the rest of the stereo and a few other bits and pieces. We've got some brakes changes that we're going to do, just a different set of rotors, things like that, nothing too crazy. Clean up the calipers and any other issues that we find as we go along after the fact that we get it together. But we'll get all these few bits on, we can move on, and then really the only last major thing is the top grille, which we're still bumming around with, but everything else will work out good.
Oh, I could be all it is you need, 'cause we are trying to find a way to feel. If I could sleep, I'd dream of what we'd be, but I can feel you slip further from me. Oh, it makes it hard to be when you are all that I want, but don't have. And I'll run into the sea, follow this heart that escapes me. It escapes me, and I'm lost again. All I want and everything. All I want. Although it feels like heaven, I can't wait forever. Old habits are hard to break. I'm losing faith. Maybe we're better off this way, but I'm still